Cut your printed vinyl on the top and one side. Make sure when you cut it straight so that you will not have any problem lining up on the substrate. After you install the top, make sure you double check the vinyl on the side of the substrate if it's lining up. Then double check the image as well if it's also lining up on the other side of the panel. If the side is not lining up, try to peel off the top and try to reconfigure and line it up again. Once everything is good, start applicating until you cover the whole panel. After you peel off the backing, make sure your image is lining up. Every time you peel off your backing, always line up your vinyl on the corner of your substrate. For corners, it's better to use your finger to applicate the vinyl. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.